Welcome back to channel everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how I build this kind of a modern dashboard design in my model-driven application and showcase you how you can build your own dashboard design using Generative Pages. This is the saving dashboard for an organization which shows key KPIs in the top, and then there is different charts which reflect savings by monthly trend, savings target by departments, savings by category, saving pipeline by phases, and then you have initiative list table which shows initiative names, departments, and actual savings. You can pretty much customize this and extend this the limit you want to push it. I will showcase you how I designed this kind of dashboard. If I go to my model-driven application and based on this data table, I have created a saving dashboard generative pages. If you don't know how to build a generative page, I have already created a video on this, but just to let you know, there is an add page option. You can click on this describe a page. Once you click on this, you will have this user interface where you can just give your plain simple prompt and can select the GPT-5. By default there will be GPT 4.1, and you can add the data, like you can attach the image for your reference, what kind of design you need. You can add the tables that is part of your app. And if I take you to my dashboard which I built, and I'll showcase you what prompt I have given to this page. I've taken the help from Gemini to generate this prompt, and I've given the instructions what I exactly need: a financial saving dashboard based on React component using D3.js. The design must be sleek, modern, and highly performant. I've given the color preference. I've described the KPI cards, charts visual, and then I've detailed out what I need in functionality and layout for each KPI cards and the charts that are there. So you can pretty much create your prompt and then ask your Gen Pages to generate a design. In your first go, it will not give you the accurate design because it's a preview feature still, and there is still a lot of things that needs to be improved, but you can keep on asking. Like first time it won't generate the entire structure. So I've given this into a small chunks that what exactly I want to build, and on top of that it was not able to generate this vertical scrolls. I've asked to create a scroll for the pages, and then it was not able to generate this final table. Then I asked to create this a final table. Can you create some hover effects on the charts? As you can see, it has created some hover effect on the charts that we have created. This is how it will look like. So similar way you can keep on asking this agent, and it will generate nice hover effects for you. Please increase the size of the filter by name input field. We'll see. It is increasing the size, so let's just okay, it has not increased the size. Please increase its width. You see now the size has increased. So what I can do is I can just go here and search for filter input. You will see that what it has done flex to 1000 pixel. This is what I needed. If I just put this, copy this code. Now I'm to my previous stage. I have to increase this. I have already copied the code. I'll go to the code, edit, go here, just to showcase you how this works. And I will paste this, just remove one margin left. Flex to 1000 pixel, width is 100, max width is 100%. Save this, and now you'll see we have the initiative list with the proper width. In fact, there is more than what I've asked for. So I'll go into filter input. Instead of 1000 pixel, I will say 500 pixel. It could be 50%, and max width could be 100%. All right, should work now. You will see this is what it is. And if you go to the code and compare your code, you will see you have made this change. Previously it was like this, and now you have made this to with 100% to 50%, because it shows you just the previous version of what you have recently changed. And one more thing I just wanted to mention is that I have experienced is when I give the exact same prompt to my new page, it generates a different result sometimes. So keep that in mind if you're getting different results. So be specific with your prompt, what you are giving versus what you have as a data source. That is also an important part. So make sure the combination is correct and you are asking the correct things, accurate things to this agent. Then it will give you a more precise answer that you are looking for. I hope you find this video helpful. In case if it helped you in some way, please don't forget to subscribe, Learn and Tech. Thank you so much for watching.